what's up you all? It's One back on the channel and we are back on Demolition Derby 2. So I'm going to be recording this on Thursday the 2nd of October at 12 to at 12 2 p.m. at 12 2 p.m. So in this video we're not going to be doing a car review. Let me claim my daily rewards, but we're not going to be doing a car review. Instead, we're going to be doing the muscle car showdown, throwdown like I did with the sedans between the Oramac Classic, the Mullaro Classic, which is obviously my favorite, and then the Marshal. So, like, I also did a previous head-to-head featuring the Casino Retro, the Victoria Taxi, and then the Duke Classic, but now we're going to do a muscle car showdown. But to make sure that the video isn't a boring long one, we're like a 25-minute one, half-hour one, then we're going to be doing we're going to put these on the tracks that they were actually put on. Like the Oramac was put on the longest yard in its first video. So like that, we're going to be doing this head-to-head. So I'm going to hit the nitrous because it would be kind of unfair to do it without the nitrous. So why not do this with the nitrous? This time we're not going to cut corners. Oh, that ruined the whole thing. We're not gonna let that happen again. Even if I lose, this is actually a time trial, it's not a race. So even if I lose the position in the race, it does not matter because it's a time trial. So for the Oramac, it's actually 29-27. So 29-27. Then my favorite car, can it beat 29-27? This is my favorite car. Oh no. Dude, the accelerator was not responding, so that's why I did not move. That was actually my bad. But then the accelerator it does not like to respond. If that could ruin the flow, that could ruin it, but no, not like that. Any screw up would actually make the whole car lose. Wrong nitrous. My nitrous timing should, like at the start I could have done that, but not like that, because the nitrous timing shouldn't have been this bad, because I said this bad, but I mean that the nitrous timing should be proper, and every car is 7.0 liter engine, which is what should happen. 29-27, 30-71. Okay, I lost. 29-27 and 30-71. Let's see how this guy does. 29-27 and 30-71. So Where is that track? Yes, there it is. And I'm not going to share any recount or no, I'm not going to share any recount or a weekly experience because okay, hold up. No. Just kidding. What am okay? What am I doing? but yes. I will not share any recount because this is a time trial, and if I remove the wrong nitrous again, mm, no, this is unfair. But yeah, then if I will, then I might in a recount when the race is finished, I still keep recounting. Then I go to the garage and then still keep recounting. Then you know what? Then I forget the entire time. Okay, this car is going to lose because of my screw up. 3071, 2927 versus 3071 versus 3084. Oh, dude. So, the, what you might call it, yes, the Oramac Classic, the Firebird wins. So, now we're going to be taking it to the track. The Mullaro was put on. It was the dirt figure 8. Okay, even if I lose, this is a time trial. So the positions you take in races, that doesn't matter. That doesn't matter because it's a time trial. Okay, this is not an easy track because I came dead last with the Mullaro Classic. Oh, hit the brakes. I hate this when the accelerator does not respond. The accelerator does not know it's a time trial and just stops responding. If it will stop responding, then I will not do a time trial ever again if it stops responding. Okay, I'm just kidding. Don't worry, guys. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. So, okay. 2479. 2479. So, 2479. That's not bad. Again, yeah, again, dude. I did not mean to say a word that I shouldn't. I'm sorry if I did, but what? Okay, now what was it? It was 2479, but 2479 versus 25-4. 25 also 2479 versus 25-4. Okay, so now let's see how this car will do. Where is that track? Yes, it's here. Okay, now let's see how this car does. Okay, 2479 versus 25-4. So oh, that could have been worse. I'm gonna let it count. 25-24. Again, the Marshal lost. Again, the Firebird is taking the win. 2-0-0. So last track is going to be the dirt oval. Okay, so this is a far more easier track because no overtakes and no figure eights, and because in this game the figure eight tracks they overtake. 2258. 2250. Oh no. What the? Oh no. I did not mean to do that. Okay. That happens, but this is the third time I've done that, so it was 2258, so 2258. 2258. All that sound is background noise. So this is a time trial. But so even if I lose it, does not matter. So 2258. 2279 versus 2258. This car keeps losing. Oh no. I thought I was going to exit the game again. 2258 versus 2279. That. Now let's see what this does. Okay, that guy tapped me and ruined the race. Okay, my frame rate it lagged again. Oh no, it's lagging. So it's lagging badly. Like, is it because I did not delete any previous long videos? I did not clear my what call that thing. I did not clear the. So that's why it's causing the lag because of my storage. So 2313, 2258, 2279, 2313. Okay, the car won. The 300. 300, the Oramac Classic won. So, so the Oramac Classic won. So that is 2 head-to-heads. So you see, this video is around 13. It will be at least around 14 minutes, which is a lot shorter compared to that 25-minute video on the Casino Retro, the Victoria Taxi, and then the Duke Classic head-to-head. It's going to be at least 13, like around quarter to 14 minutes, or it's going to be 14 minutes. So I hope you did not mean to do that, but I hope you enjoyed the video. Share your thoughts. No, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. This is Juan signing out. Peace, you all.